Did you miss me? It's been a hot minute since I did a YouTube, so this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be unboxing the Andis Cordless Masters Custom Jordans. Alright, let's get right into it. So excited. Ooh, I know what you're thinking. It looks pretty defaulted, huh? Do a little this. There's the box. Do a little this. Ooh. Yahtzee, look at that. Woo-hoo. Oh dang. Fresh Aussie hooking it up. Got the Instagram name on there. Go follow. Videos. Well, not really videos, but lots of pictures of haircuts posted on here. Super excited to get this clipper. This clipper is retailed at $230 to $250, and I didn't want to spend that much money at first, but when I saw these, I knew I had to have them. I'm a Jordan collector. I collect everything of Jordan since I was a little kid, and to cop these, this is amazing. The quality, the look at that, the definition. The Nadex, the cut, the gold handle, the gold blade. We're talking about custom, zero gap, homie. Dang, with the click lever. Yeah, all right. So, got the Jordan 23 on there. The Michael Jordan and Nadex the cut. That's fantastic. And check this out. Check out the stand. It's been a long time since I've been excited for something, and this is amazing. Check out the stand, son. No Master P. 10 bad bitches in the after me. Just like that. I'm not going to turn these on just yet. I'm going to let them charge, and then I'm going to turn them on. But these are brand spanking new. If you like it, go get it. I'll show you where to get this. Amazing. Tagging it. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm ecstatic about these clippers, and these are fire.